Welcome to the continuous lecture series of higher order differential equation. Today again we are going to see some examples on complementary function. So first example is d cube y by dx cube minus 3d square by d square y by dx square plus 3 dy by dx minus y equal to 0. Now first write it in operator form. So denote d by dx by d. So that equation become d cube y minus 3 d square y plus 3 dy minus y is equal to 0. So taking y common, d cube minus 3d square plus 3d minus 1 multiplied by y is equal to 0. Now this is a standard formula. If we observe it carefully, it is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus 3 minus b cube. So this is nothing but d minus 1 whole cube multiplied by y is equal to 0. So what are the roots? As it is a standard result, that's why we are substituting formula. Otherwise we have to go by using synthetic division method. So d minus 1 whole cube into y is equal to 0. Now auxiliary equation is d minus 1. Auxiliary equation is m minus 1 whole cube is equal to 0. So m minus 1 is repeated for 3 times. M minus 1 multiplied by m minus 1 multiplied by m minus 1 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 1, 1, 1. These are the 3 roots. Now all 3 roots are real and equal. If 3 roots are real and equal, how to write CF? CF can be written as C1 plus C2x plus C3x square multiplied by e to the power m1x. m1 is 1, so it is x. Now CF is the solution. So y is equal to C1 plus C2x plus C3x square multiply C3x square multiplied by e to the power x. So this is the solution of given differential equation. In all problems, right hand side is 0, means we are going to see only solution of homogeneous differential equation. Next example is d cube y by dx cube minus 5 d2y by dx square plus 7 dy by dx minus 3 minus 3y, it is equal to 0. Now again we convert it into operator form. D is equal to dy by dx. So this is d cube y minus 5 d square y plus 7 dy minus 3y is equal to 0. Now taking y common, it is d cube minus 5d square plus 7d minus 3 multiplied by y equal to 0. Now if we observe it carefully, it is not in perfect square or cube formula. So what we have to use here? Synthetic division method. Synthetic division method is write down coefficient of each and every power. So first, what is coefficient of d cube? It is 1. Coefficient of d square is minus 5. Coefficient of d 7 and constant term is minus 3. So we have written here coefficient of all powers of d. If any power is absent, then also we write instead of this d square, we write its coefficient as 0. But we have to go by order only. So if 7d is absent, then we write here instead of 7, we write 0. Now first root we obtained by using trial and error method. What is trial and error method? First you can divide, substitute d is equal to 1 here. If it is equal to 0, then that will be the root. So suppose if I put d is equal to 1 here, 1 minus 5 plus 7 minus 3. So 1 minus 5 is minus 4 plus 7 is plus 3 minus 3 is 0. So 1 is the root of this equation. So one root we have to find out by trial and error method. Start always from 1, then minus 1, then 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, like that you can start. Now divide this equation by 1. So synthetic division, whatever the trial and error method, by trial and error method, whatever the roots we get, divide by that root to this this equation. So first this 1 remain as it is, first step. Then 1 multiplied by 1, it is 1. Minus 5 plus 1, minus 4. Minus 4 multiplied by 1, minus 4. Minus 4 plus 7, it is plus 3. 3 multiplied by 1, it is 3. And minus 3 plus 3 is 0. So last term becomes 0. Now if this is the root, we can write root as d minus 1. D minus 1. If minus 1 is the root, then it becomes d plus 1. So general writing is d minus a. So d minus 1 multiplied by. Now 1 power will get reduced because we have written here d. So remaining will be d square. So start from d square. D square multiplied by 1 is d square minus 4 times. Next power of d is d, and next plus 3. It is equal to 0. So this is the equation which we obtained by using synthetic division method. Now it is d minus 1 is equal to 0 and d square minus 4d plus 3 is equal to 0. So d is equal to 1 and d square minus 4d plus 3 is equal to 0 means d square. Now multiplication must be 3 and addition must be minus 4. So minus 3 into minus 1 is 3 and minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. So we can write it as minus 3d minus d plus 3. It is equal to 0. So d common, d minus 3 minus 1 common, d minus 3. It is equal to 0. So d minus 3 is common in both and second term is d minus 1. It is equal to 0. So d is equal to 3 and d is equal to 1. So we got 3 roots. D is equal to 3, 1, 1. Now 2 roots are real and equal and 1 root is real and different. So how to write CF? CF can be written as C1 e to the power first root 3x plus. Now 2 roots are equal. So next we write C2 plus C3x multiplied by e to the power mx. So 1 into x. Now again right hand side is 0. So y will be the solution. So y is equal to c1 e to the power 3x plus c2 plus c3x e to the power x. So this is the solution of given differential equation. Next example is d cube plus d square plus 4d plus 4 into y is equal to 0. Now auxiliary equation is m cube plus m square plus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. Now here to find out roots, use again synthetic division method. Coefficient of m cube is 1, then coefficient of m square 1, then 4 and 4. Now first root we find out by trial and error method. So if I substitute here 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. It is not equal to 0. So that will be the 1 is not the root. Second, if we put minus 1, minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, it is 0. Then 4 minus 1. 4 into minus 1 minus 4 plus 4, it is 0. So minus 1 is the root of this equation. Now divide this by minus 1. So first 1 remain as it is. 1 multiplied by minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. 0 multiplied by minus 1 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 multiplied by minus 4 is minus 1 is minus 4. So this is 0. Now how to write this? D minus a, but it is already minus, so d plus 1 multiplied by d square plus 0d plus 4, it is equal to 0. So d is equal to minus 1 and d square plus 4 is equal to 0. So d square is equal to minus 4. D is equal to plus minus square root of minus 4. So plus minus square root of 4 is 2 and I plus minus 2i. So 3 roots are there. One is d is equal to minus 1, another is d is equal to plus minus 2i. Now equate it with imaginary roots. What is alpha and beta value? Alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 2. Substitute in complementary function. CF is equal to C1 e to the power minus x plus e to the power alpha x, that is 0x, multiplied by C3 cos of beta x plus C4 sin of beta x. So this is the solution. But CF is y. So y is equal to C1 e to the power minus x, e to the power 0x is 1, plus C3 cos of 2x plus C4 sin 2x. So this is y, that is the solution of given differential equation. Thank you.